So it's been 2 weeks since I've updated y'all about the seeding and everything. So I wanted to bring y'all and actually see what we were working with and what it looked like. So check this out. What? So now we just got a few more spots, and I got more seeds in the back that I can fill in those other spots. So got that. Yep, and then it looks like the pre-emergent is still working too, because we see the little nuts edge right there. That's actually dying off. Oh, that's epic, man. That was epic. Looking good, babe. Got us some grass, man. So yeah, super dope. Look at this. This is 2 weeks after those seeds, man. I see you, Miss Dad. Yeah, I see you. But no, for real though. Look at this. This is epic. This is what we want. Beautiful, man. Just beautiful. This thing gonna end up looking like carpet soon. Yeah. We'll get another bag, fill in these other spots. It's gonna be epic.